everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know I have been gone for a while. Anyways, in today's video we're going to be making mini twists using the Hot Braids Afro kinky hair extensions. This is the bag it came in, and before you ask if I still do create natural hair content, of course my hair is still natural and I very much still do create natural hair content. Forget what you're seeing here, and I do show up on my YouTube shorts. If you watch my YouTube shorts, you know that I'm actually consistent here on YouTube. I just hardly make long form content due to some limitations that I currently have, which I am working on. But today's video is about Hot Braids. Now this is not the only thing that came. I also got this from Hot Braids. This contains some hair tools. I'm just going to open it so that we can see what the box contains. Number one, we have this hairbrush. Then we have this edge brush as well, and of course we have a comb and some paints. This is everything that comes in this. This is everything that comes in this particular box. For the start of the show, let's open this and see what we have inside. We have this spray bottle. I wish it was purple because purple is my color. Can you believe I bought this particular spray bottle in purple and it refused to work? Hot Braids, thank you for sending this one. I love it. I've become a pink girly. Next we have, okay, give me a second. I need a second to get this one out. Oh, they sent me a scarf, a blue scarf, and it's quite big because look at all these folds. This tote bag, very handy, because if I want to go to the salon, I'm busy looking for where to put my hair extensions. But thank you Hot Braids for sending this. And it's quite big, so this should be able to carry my laptop if I want to go to the salon to get my hair done and also work at the same time. This is really handy. This could carry my laptop, my hair extensions, and any other thing that I need to carry. And for the star of the show, the Afro Kinky. Oh, look at this. This feels like my hair texture. Like I don't even have to use it to realize that it's exactly like my hair texture. I'm just going to take one out and then show you guys. Now this is what it looks like. See? Very thick, kinky, and accepts water really well. I don't have to use it to actually know that it takes water really well. Just by touching it I can tell, because I've used other Afro kinky hair extensions, and this one quality feels very different. I'm definitely going to be going to the salon because of course I can't sit and take my time to install all these on my hair. I want to go for small to medium size, and I have a lot of hair, so I'm going to need someone to help me with that. But this is a whole lot. See, it's very big. And yes, I do intend to stay with my hair for over a month. I usually like to carry my mini twist over a month. It seems like when it gets old, it even looks more beautiful. So yes, I intend to carry it for a long time. So it's really important that I get someone to do it really nicely for me.
I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there when the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be
And here is my hair, guys. Oh my god, it's so full. I love it. I can't stop staring at myself. It's so beautiful. Just look at this, look at this. She really took her time with this hair. It's so tiny. I know that once it's time to lose it, I'm gonna go through like a whole lot. Just look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Absolutely love my hair. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is I'm going to mix my leave-in conditioner inside this spray bottle This is the leave-in conditioner I will be using to mix inside the spray bottle, and then I'll be going in with this mousse from TGIN. This is one of the best mousse I've used in my entire life as a natural hair girly. So good, smells amazing, it slicks your hair down really well. Absolutely love it. Let's get into the business of the day. Let me demonstrate, and then we can finish off this video. One thing I can say for sure, this hair is lightweight. You can see how much I installed, right? It doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. The only thing is that it feels really full. Why? Because I have a lot of hair and I installed tiny twists. They're actually small. We finished quite late. Imagine starting my hair around 8 a.m. and I finished around 7 p.m, almost 8 p.m in the night. So you can see how much time it took to install this. Very beautiful, lightweight. It is reusable, so if you want to use it, take it down and reuse it again, you can definitely do that. Doesn't feel heavy at all. This is to tell you that this hair extensions is a 10 out of 10 for me. Absolutely love it. I've tried other Afro Kinky hair extensions like I said earlier, and this is one of the best I've actually tried. There are some Afro Kinky hair extensions that are synthetic, but this particular one is human hair extensions. It absorbs water really well. It absorbs hair products really well. You can see how everything just went in and blended into the hair extensions. I even used the blue scarf that they sent. It was a struggle actually tying my scarf because I'm very terrible when it comes to tying my hair, but I guess I tried. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comments, and yes, I'm going to leave the details to this hair where you can order and every other information that you need in the description, so do make sure to check it out. This is a shout out to Hot Braids. Thank you so much for sending these beautiful hair extensions to me. And thank you guys for staying to the end of my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.